Evacuation is advised for Midtown Manhattan. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. Residents of Midtown Manhattan, evacuate immediately. The entire area of Midtown Manhattan is now ablaze, and the fire is burning everything in its path. Midtown Manhattan is now considered unsafe. I repeat, Midtown Manhattan is now considered unsafe. In addition, the suspect who is responsible for this blazing inferno has been identified as Blaze. Blaze is a 24-year-old white male who is 5 feet 7 inches, weighs 140 pounds, with black hair and blue eyes. It's likely that Blaze will not stop his fiery rampage and will continue until the area is in ashes. Because of this, all residents of Midtown Manhattan are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. Grab all of the people in your home and take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered 4-hand crank radio with extra batteries to last you and your family for the duration of this emergency. Tie a bright colored towel to your mailbox to show authorities you have obeyed the evacuation order. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.